Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Ready to turn your expertise or creativity into real income? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to sell digital products on Squarespace, even if this is your very first time. By the end, you'll have the essential roadmap to build your online storefront, attract the right customers, and start seeing those sales notifications in your inbox. So let's jump right in. First things first, choosing your niche and deciding on the product or products you'd like to sell. This is a critical foundation, so don't rush it. Ask yourself, what am I knowledgeable about, or what problems do people keep coming to me for help with? Whether you're selling ebooks, digital art prints, templates, or online courses, the best products fill a clear need for a specific group of buyers. Take a little time to research your competition and your audience. Think about how you can stand out. Maybe it's your unique style, your story, or just solving a problem in a simpler way. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to connect with buyers looking for exactly that solution. Once you've clarified your niche and product, it's time to create your website or landing page on Squarespace. This is your digital storefront, so make it clean, welcoming, and easy to navigate. If you're new to Squarespace, don't worry. Their templates make designing pages surprisingly straightforward. Pick a template that aligns with your product and brand vibe. Are you selling calming guided meditations? Choose something soft and peaceful. Maybe you've got bold, edgy Photoshop presets. Grab a template that makes an impact. Take a few moments to tweak colors and fonts so it feels just right. And don't forget, your landing page should point visitors directly to your product, not overwhelm them with distractions. Next up, you'll add your products. On Squarespace, digital products are easy to list. Just go to your commerce settings and hit Add Product. Now, upload your files, write clear descriptions, set prices, and make sure your delivery method is seamless. Squarespace lets you automatically deliver digital files to buyers, so test this feature to be sure it works flawlessly. You don't want a customer waiting around for their download. Make your product titles descriptive but concise, and highlight what makes your offering special. Maybe toss in a few high-quality images or mock-ups to help buyers visualize what they're getting. Now we move to making the value crystal clear. This is the difference between browsing and buying. Tell your visitors what your product will do for them. Will it save them time, elevate their work, solve a tricky problem, or help them learn a new skill? Use benefits-focused language, and if you can, show proof. Include testimonials, before and after examples, or even a short video demonstration. Imagine you're trying to convince a skeptical friend. Be honest, specific, and enthusiastic. If they see themselves using your product, they're already halfway to clicking purchase. Getting traffic to your page can feel daunting, but think of it like inviting people to a party. You need to get the word out. Share your website or product page on your social channels, email lists, or in communities where your target audience hangs out. Consider a soft launch for feedback, or even run a small ad campaign to reach beyond your network. It might take some time to build momentum, but every visitor is a real opportunity. Keep track of what's working, and don't be discouraged if results are slow at first. The final step is to promote and grow your sales. Successful sellers don't just launch, they nurture. Continue sharing useful content related to your product, update your page with new offerings, and engage with customers who leave reviews or ask questions. Try offering limited-time discounts or bundle deals to encourage repeat buyers. Remember, each sale is not the finish line, but the start of a relationship. And that's how you can start selling digital products on Squarespace, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm here to help. For more tutorials and tips to grow your online business, make sure you hit subscribe. Good luck with your digital product journey, and I'll see you in the next video.